Welcome to the key. As you know, these sensations are temporary, and this concentrated moment of anxiety will be over very soon. So for the next few minutes, just listen to the sound of my voice as I help guide you to a calmer state of being. If possible, place yourself in a more peaceful spot, perhaps leaving a busy room or finding a wall to support you. Focus only on your exhale, slowing down. The inhales come easily and automatically, so see how long and slow you can make your exhales. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Can you feel how the temperature of the air changes? Is it cooler on the inhale and warmer on the exhale? With every long, slow exhale, say to yourself, "This too shall pass. This too shall pass." Now bring your attention to 3 things you can see, or if your eyes are closed, 3 objects you know to be near you. Name 3 things you can hear. Perhaps one sound that is near, one far away, and one somewhere in between. Identify 3 parts of your body you can feel. Perhaps an arm, a leg, the tip of your nose, or the tips of your toes. Now touch a familiar object. It could be any object at all. Maybe a piece of jewelry, your keys, or an item you keep in your pocket. When touching this object, think about its shape, how it feels, and how it was made. Notice if it is smooth or rough, soft or solid, heavy or light. I know that you know when the body notices the mind relaxing, the breath and heartbeat automatically slow down, and any remaining symptoms can leave your body now. To further calm mind and body, First, tighten all of the muscles in your feet and legs as much as you can. Squeeze and hold that tension for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze even tighter now. And completely release. Next, tighten all of the muscles in your torso, arms, and hands. Squeeze and hold that tension for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze even tighter now and release. Finally, tighten all of the muscles in your face and neck for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze even tighter now and release. Good. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Again, noticing the temperature of the air on the inhale and the exhale. If you haven't already, open your eyes and recenter yourself, coming up to a fully awake and aware state now. Send yourself a message of love and compassion. When you're ready, take small sips of water and notice the refreshing sensation as it rehydrates your mouth, throat, and every cell in your body. If you haven't eaten in the last couple of hours, give yourself some nutrition to replenish your energy and go for a gentle walk, since moving your body helps release mood-stabilizing endorphins. Thank you for allowing me to guide you today. Return to this recording anytime you need to find your center. The key: rewrite your memories.